Creating an email marketing campaign on Mailchimp involves several key steps to design, target, and send your emails effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create a campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab. Click Create Campaign and select Email from the options. Choose Campaign Type. Choose Regular for Standard Email Campaign. Click Begin to start the setup. Set up campaign details. Enter a campaign name. In the To section, select the audience or segment you want to target. Configure email settings. In the From section, set the sender name and email address. Write an engaging subject line and optional preview text in the subject section. Design your email. Click Design Email to enter the email builder. Choose a template or start from scratch. Customize the email using Mailchimp's drag and drop editor. Add text, images, buttons, and other elements. Preview and test. Click Preview to see how your email looks. Send a test email to yourself to check formatting and links. Send or schedule. Click Continue to review your campaign details. Choose to send immediately or schedule for a future date.